there it is. Hair got like ripped off. I just pushed that button. Oh my gosh, do you hear that? I don't know what I just did. I feel like I made a huge mistake. All right, let's fire this up for the first time. You hear that clicking?
That's broken.
Oh wait, I don't think this is the right one. All right, welcome back to Guy's Garage, and you joined me at the perfect time. I'm here at a Lexus dealer because I just purchased my very first wholesale car. I am so pumped. Sight unseen. It's a 2004 Lexus RX 330. He says it's back here. You can see here's a repair shop. These are obviously either trade-ins. Look at this one. Plug-in RZ300E. All right, here comes an employee.
Right behind, right next to the car wash.
Thank you. I need my steps anyway. Is there just one key?
Yeah.
Thanks. This looks like a relatively newer, this vehicle is not for sale. So it's like this is like the reject pile. The land of misfit toys. There it is. There it is. What's the chance of this not starting and not running? Uber's gone, man. I have to recall an Uber if this doesn't work. Wait, is that the one? Yeah, I think this is it. Here it is. Look at those wheels. Oh, they put a liner on it. They put a liner on the ripped seat. That looks pretty good, and it's clean. They detailed it for me. What the heck? Let me make sure this is the right one. I'm pretty sure this is it. All right, we're gonna fire this up for the first time. Here we go. I don't even know. Oh wait, I don't think this is the right one. No, that's not the right one. I just jumped in the wrong car. These are all unlocked. Oh, here it is. It's blue. Does this match the one that I bought? I gotta check the VIN number, dude. I was like, holy crap, this looks a lot different. It's the gold version. Here it is, baby. Just chilling over here. The land of misfit toys. It hasn't even been cleaned. I mean, maybe it was cleaned, but it hasn't been cleaned recently. That door squeak. Okay, this is definitely gonna need a detail. Look at the interior of this car. Holy crap. That has never been lubed. It actually looks pretty good. It's missing a trim piece here. Oh my gosh. Bet you this is not gonna work. Oh no, it does. It works. Okay, the back isn't terrible. I don't think the sunroof closes. I think it's stuck open. This is what you get with budget Guy's Garage. Join the addiction. If you're not subscribed, you have got to subscribe because this is what you're gonna see. Look at the, so dirty. Hair got like ripped off. What in the world? Do you think I'm gonna find cash stuffed in this thing? How crazy would it be if I found, oh, that's dirty. That's a Kaiser card. I just pushed that button. Oh my gosh, do you hear that? Did you, dude, it actually closed. I thought that was gonna fall from the highest point. All right, let's fire this up for the first time. All right, let's see if this even starts. All right, here goes nothing. Okay. Oh, it sounds pretty good. It sounds pretty good. The engine sounds legit. V6 3.3 liter. You know, you can hear the health of the engine by just listening and feeling for the vibrations on the steering wheel. It's smooth. You hear that clicking?
A few moments later.
It doesn't sound bad. I mean, it's It's dirty, but that's good. You don't want it to be too clean. I got a new battery, relatively new, so that's nice. I mean, you want to see dirt. You don't want to see it spick and span clean. That means there was oil leaking or something. See the first letter? There's a J. This stands for Japan. See that? I don't know what I just did. I feel like I made a huge mistake. Look how terrible this has been kept. All right, I don't want to, but I'm gonna open this. I think we need aerosol. I think we need a sanitizer. I think I may have made a massive mistake. However, I'm gonna take this to a mechanic and make sure it's safe to drive. I don't have a mechanic. I've been driving an electric car. I have never taken my cars to the mechanic. I have a 2024 Nissan, or a Toyota, I can't even speak, Toyota Sienna, 23 Sienna, and it's never had any problems. My Nissan Leaf literally just, it needs tires. This car, it's gonna need like flushed and all kinds of different things. Okay, let's get in and drive. Oh my goodness, is the air even gonna work? How do I do auto? There we go, temp. Let's do a comfortable 70. Right now it's 72 outside. Okay, this is gonna leak. This looks janky. This needs tightened. So they just handed me the key and were like, see you later. They did not make me sign anything. All I did was show my license. That's broken, the little sunglass holder. That's gonna block my mirror. Buckle up for safety because the wheels may fall off of this thing. Okay, it's shifted. We're moving. It feels like the brakes, it kind of feels like the brakes haven't moved in a while. Oh my gosh. It feels like it's been sitting for longer than 3 days because I bought it 3 days ago. The interior is not bad. It just needs a really good detail. I have a detail guy and he's gonna make a killing because this car needs an inside out makeover. I need a body shop. There's a shot of the dash. Do I have any gas? Yes, they left me with half a tank of gas. That's nice. I don't see any check engine lights, baby. The air conditioning's working. Yes, woo! Well, we saved $700 there. Look at the bright side, okay? Look at the bright side. I got these delicious snacks for free. This car works. It's just dirty. It's absolutely dirty. It's everything about it is dirty, and I need to get all this stuff fixed. I love this wood steering wheel. Absolutely love it. Okay, I just got on the freeway and there is some wobble. There's a little bit, it's a little bit of steering wobble, not bad. You hear the wind noise of the sunroof being opened. We're moving, baby. We're moving down the freeway. We are moving. I just went over 60 and the car shakes. 55, 56, 57, 58. 59. You hear that? Look at the steering wheel. What is going on with the front end? Yeah, baby. Woohoo! 6,000 RPMs. Please subscribe to my channel, my poor channel. Because of this car addiction, look what it has led me to. It has led me into a 2004 Lexus RX 330 with horrible, horrible steering issues and a low air pressure tire warning. There's only one way to go, it's up. So we're gonna get this thing fixed. We're gonna find out what's wrong with it. Join me by subscribing to Guy's Garage. See you later. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do.